Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. So in gold market, situation developed slowly. This week, the price range, as you can see, was not really very significant, so mostly it has no impact on the longer time frames, I mean monthly, weekly. So for these time frames, the trading range was relatively narrow. At the same time, market starts to show the signs of exhausting, so it's a bit tired from the unstoppable upward action that lasts within the 3-4 months already to the upside. So you can see it has started even in August, so and it was accelerated somewhere in November, and right now it's already February, so almost a half a year market stands in unstoppable rally. And it seems it's a bit overextended to the upside, and the first signs of the weakness, some signs of the exhausting starts to appear in the market, and that increases the chance on the moderate retracement that probably will be seen not only on the daily chart but maybe even on the monthly. So it will not change yet the overall sentiment. We do not talk about the bearish reversal, something that's this is natural, normal reaction in the market. It's a bit overextended. It needs time to rest. It needs time to take the breath before the upward continuation, and that really could happen within the week or maybe 2 weeks. Actually, as you know, market is approaching to our major target that stands at 1330 destination point. This is the ABCD pattern of our major pattern. So this is ABC top, C bottom, XOP stands at the 1330. And the feature of the markets is that when some significant target, objective point exists on the market, it works like a magnet. So market tends to complete the target first before showing any other action after that. That leads us to conclusion that if even moderate retracement will start, that probably will happen after market will complete this target. That's why currently this retracement we treat as just minor pullback result on the overbought, but still before the retracement will start, we hope to get and see final leg up to the 1330. So we do not expect that the major retracement will start before market will complete the major target. The completion of the major target will be the signal that right now we could start to watch possible bearish patterns that could be formed on the daily chart, and that could trigger this retracement, because as I said, sentiment analysis shows that despite the positive market is a bit tired from the upward action. So that is what we'll be watching for in the coming week. Here you already could see the first bell of the possible retracement is growing, so this is bearish divergence with the MACD indicator. Speaking on the current price behavior, if you remember in the videos that we prepared in last week, we said that here we could get either the immediate upward continuation or market could retest this previous consolidation. Mostly the same story stands on this week as well. So you can see market has completed harmonic retracement already by this action, and theoretically it could reestablish upward action immediately on Monday, but another chance exists that it could retest the 13 even to touch the trend line here, to retest this consolidation at the point of the 1297, 13 even, and starting the upward action after that. So how to understand what particular action will develop? So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here we have our ABCD pattern. So as market starts dropping here and shows this significant leg down, we said that since market wasn't able to establish upward action immediately, because this was a confidence support, if you remember, we've got the kind of the some ABCD pattern to the downside. You could even recognize here kind of the hand shoulders, but it's not quite the very good pattern, since this shoulder is mostly stands very small, so anemic. So we have talked about this ABCD pattern and said, well, in this case, probably the next destination point will be OP, this is 13 even approximately, and particularly it coincides with the upper border of this rectangle, this previous consolidation on the daily chart. So, but on Friday, surprisingly, market starts the upward action. If you will take the careful look at this situation, you will see that's not absolutely surprising because actually market has completed this minor ABCD pattern. It was completed, this minor ABCD pattern, and market starts upward action. But the upward action doesn't look too strong. So it's very gradual, shows a kind of the ABCD action, and currently, guys, we have the completed Gartley's triple to sell in place. And this pattern keeps valid this point. That is, this point in particular, the key to understanding what will happen next. So if market on Monday will show the upward breakout of the C point, it will automatically erase the ABCD pattern because C point will be exceeded, and it will mean probably that market indeed starting upward action right in 1330. Conversely, if market will start dropping, in this case, Gartley's triple could start work, and we indeed could get the completion of the OP target. So that's the two ways how retracement could develop. So if you are searching chance to go long, that's two scenarios that to watch for. First one, you could wait for a breakout of the C point, and in this case, you could try and take the position on minor pullback. Or if no breakout of the C point will happen, market starts dropping, just watch for 1296, 13 even area, completion of the ABCD, and drop your time frame and watch for a bullish reversal pattern in this area, because potentially here we could get Gartley's triple to buy. As you can see, this upward action, ABCD retracement. So that's the scenarios that we will keep an eye on in gold market in the beginning of the next week.